We'll guide you through how to remove a contact photo on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone. So previously you may have gone and added a contact photo. So for example, you could go and open up your contacts app and you can go and see I've got a contact photo on this contact here called Temp. And now you don't want it there for whatever reason. Maybe it doesn't represent them or you just don't like it. And so you want to go and remove it. We're going to guide you through the steps of exactly how you need to go about this. So to get started, in the contacts, you need to go and find who you want to do it with. Then what you need to do is go and tap on the contact like so. So you're going to go and see it again here. We're also going to go and apply this to the poster as well, because on a contact, you've got their photo and the poster. They're two separate things. So on this screen here, you want to go and head to the top right, and there you're going to go and find the option for edit, and you can go and tap there. So here you're going to go and see the poster, and what you want to do is go and press edit just beneath it. And then at the top, you've got avatar and poster. So you want to go and remove this. So what we need to do is go and change what it's going to go and be. So what you can do is on avatar, you can go and scroll down and you want to come and choose monogram. So you can just go and tap the two A's. Now what you can do is go and choose the design here. I like using just the default one, which is this gray one, but you can always go and tap on the color like so, and you can go and choose it there as well. But I'll go and choose this one. Then what you can do is go and press choose in the top right. Then you can go and press the tick in the top right, and you can go and choose the poster as well. I'll tap that there. That's going to make it that sort of color though. So I'll press edit again, press poster, and scroll down to monogram. I'll press the color button in the bottom left, and I'll just choose this gray option. Then you can go and press done and press tick. So then you can go and choose the avatar, and then what you can do is press the tick again, and we come back, you go and see it's been removed.